Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of iOS 18.2, an interesting topic that's been making waves in the tech world. Apple has released this major update, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. From cool new features like Image Playground and Genmoji to more practical tools that enhance your daily iPhone experience, we'll talk about it all. But there's also an important warning that every iPhone user needs to hear about in this update, and I'll break it down later in the video, so stick around. So if you're wondering whether to upgrade or hold off, this video will give you the full picture, including pros and cons. Let's jump right in. iOS 18.2 isn't just another minor update. It's part of Apple's continued push to integrate advanced AI tools into your everyday life. It brings forward the power of what Apple is calling Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI tools designed to make your iPhone smarter and more intuitive. First, let's talk about how Apple is positioning this update. They're clearly trying to stay ahead of the AI curve, competing with tools like Google's Gemini and Microsoft's Copilot. iOS 18.2 integrates AI in unique, user-friendly ways that feel native to the Apple ecosystem. Some of the standout features include the new Image Playground for creative AI-driven image generation, the introduction of Genmoji. Yes, means you can now create personalized emojis based on your text prompts, and more improvements across messaging, productivity, and privacy. Plus, there are practical updates that make iOS 18.2 feel smoother and faster overall. But is it all sunshine and roses? Well, we'll cover that too. Let's take a deeper dive into these new features and what they bring to the table. Now let us talk about the main features. Apple Intelligence Image Playground. First up is Image Playground. This feature lets you generate AI images in three distinct styles: animation, illustration, and sketch. Whether you're creating images for fun or adding flair to your messages, it's super intuitive and fits seamlessly into apps like Messages and Notes. Genmoji. Now let's talk about Genmoji. Think of it as an AI-powered emoji creation. Instead of scrolling endlessly for the perfect emoji, you can now generate personalized emojis by typing a description. Do you want an emoji of a panda drinking coffee or a cat in sunglasses? Just type it and Genmoji delivers. What's exciting here is how this makes communication more expressive. It's a small, fun feature, but one I see a lot of people using. AI summaries in Notes and Mail. Apple is also leveraging AI to help you work smarter. In Notes and Mail, you'll find AI-powered summaries that give you quick overviews of long messages and notes. This could be a game changer if you're someone who deals with long emails daily. Other key updates. Smarter Siri. Apple's voice assistant is now better at understanding context and complex commands. Enhanced security. iOS 18.2 includes new privacy tools, including better app tracking transparency and on-device processing to keep data secure. Improved performance. Users are already reporting smoother animations and faster app launches, even on older devices. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of the iOS 18.2. First, we talk about the pros. Apple Intelligence Tools. Image Playground and Genmoji make the phone feel more creative and interactive. AI summaries. Great for professionals or students who deal with information overload. Performance boosts. iPhones running iOS 18.2 feel smoother and more responsive. Enhanced security. Apple maintains its strong focus on privacy with on-device AI processing. How about the cons of iOS 18.2? Battery drain. Some users have reported increased battery drain immediately after updating. Not all features are available for older devices. Apple Intelligence tools might require iPhone 14 or later. Learning curve for new AI tools. While Image Playground and Genmoji are user-friendly, they can feel gimmicky for some users. And let's not forget that Forbes recently issued a warning about potential bugs or glitches in iOS 18.2, especially for early adopters. If you're planning to update, it's always smart to back up your data and maybe wait for a few minor fixes in the new version. So, is iOS 18.2 worth upgrading to? Well, I'd say overall, yes, especially if you're excited about the creative potential of Image Playground and Genmoji. The performance improvements and AI features are well executed, making these more than just a standard iOS update. However, if you're someone who values battery life or you're on an older iPhone, it might be worth holding off until Apple refines things further. Well, if you're happy with how your phone works now, there's no rush to upgrade. iOS 17 is still stable and reliable. That wraps up my deep dive into iOS 18.2. I hope this video gave you all the information you need to decide whether this update is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.